Okay, today's video is on how to customize a Windows 10 operating system start menu. Now what I like having on here is mainly the things I use on a consistent basis. What I want to do is also get rid of the stuff I don't use. Some of the stuff I've already pre-removed. One of them was the Microsoft Store. I removed it. The weather's the other one I removed. Now I don't really need the news blinking up here while I'm working. Now if it's something you want, fine, leave it there, but I unpin that one, okay? Another one I'm not really going to worry about. Let's say I don't really need to know this one here, so let's go ahead and unpin this. Now one of the things I like to do is quite often I use different browsers, so I will typically pin that to the start menu, okay? I will typically use Google Chrome, so I will pin that to the start menu. And I typically like having them all together. So right there I've got Firefox, Chrome, and Edge. Now another thing that I use quite often is I will use stuff like Excel. Okay, so I'll put down here, I'll go ahead and pin it to start also. But I'll start my own grouping of mainly like Windows apps that I'm going to use on a consistent basis. And I kind of like tying the vendors together also. It just kind of makes sense to me. So I know I'm going to possibly use PowerPoint. Okay, so let's say I'm going to pin PowerPoint to the start menu. I know I use Visio during my classes when I'm teaching. I also know I use Microsoft Word. Okay, so I can pin this one to the start menu. Now another thing you can do is you can actually resize things like this. Like one note we could actually bring down here and kind of run this in here. Now if I wanted to resize any of these, I could go here and resize it to a small. I could resize it to basically a large. Hang on. That's a wide. Okay. So you got a couple different looks. Put what you need on a consistent daily basis on your start menu. It'll make your life a lot easier as you go through the day. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, and tell other people about this. We're going to be putting out more videos here in the very near future. Thank you for watching.